Hey guys, welcome back in CodeSphere. So today in this video, I will show you that how you can post images and videos in this social media app using Firebase. So here you can see that there are two posts that I have done, and here you can also like, comment, and these extra features are you can download the picture, you can share the picture, and you can copy the URL, understand, of this picture. And when you will click on this comments button, so here you can see that you can also do comments on your post, understand. So here you can also do you can write the captions, understand. You can see this is caption, this is the time and date of the image, and here you can also see that Rajan Sharma, this is my name and this is my profile image, understand. So today in this tutorial I will show you that how you can do this. So without wasting time, let's start. And guys, if you want to donate me, so there is a link in the description box. If you like my tutorials, you can go and you can donate some money. So without wasting time, let's start. Here we will open the fragment 4. Yes, because we have to work in it, and go in this layout. And then guys, here you can see this is fragment 4, and now we will create the layout, understand. Now you can see that this is just a very basic layout, no special coding and nothing, understand. Just a very basic text view. We are going to remove it in just few seconds. So I will select this text view, then delete it. And after this, here you have to write is simply linear layout, and then orientation, that will be horizontal, sorry, vertical. Yeah, that's fine. Now we can proceed. So here we will use a button, and that will be, you can say, 150 dp. That's a good height. And this will be wrap content. Yeah. And text will be create post, and background will be, I think we have created button back. And text color will be white color. Simply give Android white. And text size is going to be, it will be small, so I think 20 sp will be too much. I should make it 15 dp. And that's fine. But we will give the text style, so it will make it more highlight. Yeah, it will highlight the text. And id, create post underscore f4, understand, that will be id. We can understand very easily. Then margin, so margin will be 4 dp. That's fine, I think. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, that will be okay. So after this we can close it. So guys, now you can see that we have this I think we should give some padding here, 10 dp. Yeah, it will make the screen beautiful little bit. After this guys, here for now we only need this button, and in future we will code the recycler view part, but not now. So after this, here we have to create a new activity. And yeah, new activity. So for this you have to click on this package, and then new, and the new activity, and that will be empty. And the name of the activity will be post activity. Here we will post the videos and images, understand. Post activity, then enter. Guys, now this gradle sync is complete, you can see. So after this, come here in this activity post, and then split section. Here we will do is we'll use image view and video view simultaneously. So write video view, and make sure you watch this video very with focus, because you need to pay attention, because we will do a very good thing, understand. So here after this, here we will write 350 dp, and not sp, dp. Yeah, 350 dp. And id will be vv underscore post. So visibility will be visible, understand. And now we have to ignore, we will do this by clicking on this red line, then as suppress missing constraints. Okay, now after this you have to use a image view, that will be save procedure match parent 350 dp, understand. And after this guys, here you have to write this background, and that will be Android color transparent, Android color transparent, and then after this ID, and that will be image view underscore post, so we can understand it is an image view. As scale type center crop, scale type center crop, fit center, you can choose any scale type whatever you want, depends on you. Yeah, so after this simply close this one and again click on this red line and then red bulb, then add this tool, understand. So now we have these two things, image view and video view, both are at the same place. You don't have to do anything with it, understand, just go after this. And now guys, here we will just yeah, let me change the color of this. So background color will be Android and black, yeah, because I like black color. So after this, now it is black, so what we can do here is, yes, a button, and that will be match parent, height will be wrap content, and the text will be choose any file, and text size will be, no, text color will be Android. I think we have declared a color, and that will be at the rate color red. Yes, background. Background should be transparent. Background Android, and transparent will be better. And now guys, we have to fix its constant, but before it we will give the ID, and that is going to be btn underscore choose file underscore post, btn post choose file, that will be okay. And then I will give margin, and that will be 5 dp, then close it. So after this guys, here you have to click on this button and then simply drag it. Now we are fixing its constants, so let me zoom it so you can see more easily that how we are doing it. And no, you know, the good thing about this constant layout is you can save your childs very easily. Yeah, you can see. And there is few changes that you have to do here is, yes, first of all we will make the background color not this, we will make it white. And no, we will make it, sorry, red. So here you have to write this color red, and text color will be white, sorry, yeah. So there was a little bit confusion, so I will make it white, understand. And now after this we'll focus on the text color. So text size, so it will be more visible, sp, yes. And I think it's okay. And we need some, so let me open the ask activity so I can see that which is the background attribute I'm using. So it will make the buttons, it will make the border beautiful, it is drawable button back, yeah, that is the same thing. So it should be drawable button back. Where is the background? Background is not color red, it should be drawable button back. And now it is beautiful, yes, now it is beautiful, you can see that it is looking more beautiful. And understand. So guys, after this here we can proceed, and we can make the width rep, sorry, it is already correct. Height should be rep content, or let me just checking that how it will look. It is not looking good, so I will just make it 200 dp, that should be okay, I think so. And yeah, it's okay. And then after this I will just increase it to 20 dp, that's okay, understand. So simple fix this constant, and left one, yeah. So now we have this in this middle, yes. So guys, now we have this final button for choosing any file, understand. So now we can proceed here. So after this guys, yes, we can do it. So now we need an edit text for the description, that if user are uploading something, video or image, so they will definitely write something about that post, that what they are uploading, the occasion, the function, and movement, whatever, for writing the captions too. So understand guys. So after this, here we will simply use this and write match parent. Height will be wrap content, and hint is going to be, you can write description, understand. And hint color will be color red. Yes. Background tint will be color red. Yes. And then padding will be start 5 dp. That will be okay, or you can give 10 dp. That's okay, understand. And now here we can give the text size, and that will be 15 sp, or let me just make it 20, so it will be more visible and more clear to see. Then id will be et underscore description underscore post, so we can understand easily, understand. And then you have to give the margin, that will be 2 dp, very little bit margin, then close it. After this, you have to click on this, and now we will fix the constant again. So just drag it. Yes. And then again go upside, and then yes, now you can see we have this description, understand. And now after this we have one more thing left, and that is, so after this guys, we will simply upload the post. For uploading the post, we need a button, and this time we will simply copy this button from here, control plus C, and then just come after this, edit text, control plus V. The only change here you have to do is btn choose file, btn upload file. That's okay, understand. And text will be upload, yeah. And then we will select this file, upload, and then we will drag it here. Okay, I think that's fine. And after this guys, here we can use a very basic progress bar. Yeah. So now id is changed, text is changed, everything is changed. Now here simply write progress bar, and that will be wrap content, and id will be progress bar underscore, oops, progress bar underscore post. Yeah, that's wrong. id progress bar underscore post. Yes. Now after this, we can give his visibility invisible, and then close it. Then choose this one, and we have to fix its constant too. So just select it, and yes. So after few time, when the post will be successfully uploaded, so yes, that's okay guys. Now uploading activity is almost complete, so after this we can go in this java part. And now guys, here I will declare some variables: image view, and then progress bar, then private uri selected. Guys, now you have to pay attention more, because now we will do the java part, and it is more important part, because you can do changes in layout file, but you cannot do changes in java part, because it may create problem for you, understand. So write pick file. Yes, I'm not writing image, because we will choose image and photo both, so that's why I have written pick file. And then after this, write upload task, we may need it in future. And after this, write text view, and that will be, we are not using any text view. Write edit text, and that will be for et description, understand. and then video view, and understand. And after this write string, then URL, then name, and then storage reference, and then Firebase database equals to Firebase database dot get instance. Understand? Then after this database reference, then database db1, db2, and db3. I am writing, you will understand in just few seconds. Understand? So after this write media controller, and media controller, understand, then string type, and then you have to write post member, and not yet because we have not created it. So guys, after this here I will give the reference for all of them. So come here inside this on create, and first line here I will write is media controller equals to new media controller, because here we have to initialize the media controller, and then here you have to pass this, understand, then semicolon. And after this I will give reference for all of them, progress bar equals to find view by id r. And yes guys, we are also using buttons, so I have to declare two buttons. Yes, so also for write button btn choose file, and btn upload file, understand, btn choose file, btn upload file. So now we will write for btn choose file equals to find by id r dot id dot id dot btn choose file post, and btn upload file equals to find by id r dot id dot btn upload file, understand. And then after this here you have to write et description equals to find view by id dot et description post, understand. And then db1 equals to database dot get reference, and that will be for all images. Here we will upload all the images. And then after this here db2, that will be for database dot get reference, and that will be for all videos. And now database 3 will be for all the posts, right, database dot get instance, and that will be for all posts, understand. Now we have these three things, understand, three database references. And now here you have to write is Firebase user equals to Firebase auth, because we need user ID also. Firebase auth get instance dot get current user, because we have to retrieve some name and URL, yes, from Firestore. That is why we are doing it. So write string, that will be UID current UID equals to user dot get UID, understand. So after this guys, here we can proceed. So now what you will do here is btn choose file, upload file. So set on click listener, new on click listener. Now here we will create a method, do post, understand. Then click on this red bulb, create method in post activity. Now it is created. Now after this we will create button number 2, choose file dot set on click listener, then new, then on click listener. Now we have this method, so here we will create method choose image, understand, semicolon. Then again click on this red bulb, create method anonymous. Now we have these two methods, understand. So just leave these methods for a few seconds, and now you have to come here in this create profile, because there are some codes that we can use from here, understand? And just like this, control plus C, go back in this post activity, choose image, control plus V, understand? So guys, just to keep it in mind that you have to, or I think yes, so after writing this new intent here, you have to write is intent dot action pick, and then here you have to write media store dot images dot media dot external content URI. Yeah, so we are doing this because we have to retrieve both the data, video and photos too, because before this video guys, you know, only on YouTube you can only upload image or you can only upload videos, but this is the first video in which I'm showing that you can upload both image and videos together, just like Instagram. And if it is video, so it will play in the user's feed, and if it is an image, then it will also display in the user's feed, understand? So the process is same, but there will be few different thing, understand? So comment this line, we don't need it. After this, here you have to write the big file, yes, understand? After this, we can write here is on activity result, yes, so write on activity result. Now we have this method. So guys, now here we have to do some validation that if the request code equals to null or not. So here we are checking that if request code equals to file, that if we have selected something, so here you have to write result equals to result okay. If result is okay, then we can, not now, again we have to do some more validations, and that will be for data not equals to null. And if data, I mean that we have selected some files, it will check that if file is selected and data dot get data is not equals to null, understand? So now we can proceed here. So now we have to use that URI. So guys, now just make sure you're watching every step because we are doing a very good thing, understand? So here I will write that if selected URI is equals to data dot get data, and now we're checking if selected URI to string and dot contains. So guys, here we are doing validation that if selected file is image or video, understand? So if it is video, so we will do something, and that will be Picasso dot get dot load selected URI dot into image view, understand? And then image view dot set visibility, that will be visible, and video view dot set visibility, that will be invisible, because the selected file is image, so we will make the video view invisible, understand? And we will set the type, that will be IV, and by the meaning IV I mean image view, understand? And again here you have to write else if the selected URI dot to string, and then again we will do the validation that the selected file is image or video, and if it contains video, so we will do the work video work, understand? So we will write video view dot set media controller, that will be media controller, understand? And then with video view dot set visibility visible, understand? And image view dot set visibility invisible, understand? And after this, here you have to write video view dot set video URI, that will be selected URI, understand? And now video view dot start, and then we will set the type, that will be VV, means video view, understand? So this is the part that you have to do, and then else part, we will do some another thing, and that will be show a toast message that no file selected, no file selected. Yes, understand? After this, here you have to copy the code, come back here in this create profile, and now this is for the extension of that file that we have chosen video or image. So it will it will tell us that the selected file is mp4 or jpeg. Control plus v or control plus z, control plus v, that's okay. Understand? So guys, now we have this URI. After this we can write here is on start, because guys we also need so instead of this we can delete it, and we can get it in just ask activity. Remove this create profile, open this ask activity, because guys here we are definitely retrieving some data and we can use the codes, so it's okay, because we don't need to write it again and again. So simply copy this, control plus C, and come back here in this post activity, and then guys simply paste it here. Now you just need to declare some, yes, some things. Remove this from here, and also this, write toast that error. Understand? Now we need data document reference, write yes, Firebase Firestore, Firebase Firestore db equals to Firebase Firestore dot get instance. Understand? And document reference equals to db dot collection user, user, then dot document, that will be current user id. We don't have it, so we have to copy some code. Why is it showing error? Okay, we will just create it in just few seconds. Control plus C. So after this guys, here you have to just control plus V. So here you can give the value current user ID and then semicolon. So now we will retrieve the data, and what is wrong with it, so we can delete it from here. Yes, it's okay now. And now after this, here you have to write is void to post. Yeah, the error is gone. Understand? So guys, here you can see that we are using this on start, because we need these two files, and these two files are name and URL, because when we will upload the post, so how can we know the name of the user and the profile URL, because when you will retrieve those images and videos, so we will need those files. That's why we have to retrieve it from Firestore. Understand? And now after this guys, here we can come inside this on post, on do post. Understand? So first of all, here we just need the user ID, so write the current user ID. Understand? And now after this, here you have to write string, that will be et, sorry, that will be description equals to et description dot get text dot to string. Understand? And now we need some time, so for that we need to go in this ask activity, because here we are already getting the codes. Yes, control plus C, come back here in this post activity, control plus V, and now guys, here you can see that we have the time, so now we can proceed. Understand? So now we will check that if the file is empty or not. Understand? And yes, so for this, write if text utils dot is empty, and the text will be description, and then selected URI dot not equals to null. It means not equals to null, understand? And so just yes, that's okay. Now if the text utils is not empty and the selected URI is not empty, so we will proceed. So for this we can copy some codes from this create profile because we already have these things here. So it's okay to save our time, and now we can just simply you just don't need to do this. Yes, copy from this final to this control plus C, come back here, then simply paste it here, understand? Now we will remove these useless codes that is not required. That will be okay, understand? Now put file, so here we will write selected URI, understand? And selected URI. And now what is the error? Yes, understand? So guys, now we have uploaded the file successfully, and now we are getting here the reference, the URL of the file, understand? So yes, so here guys we are getting that download URI of the file, understand? So after this, here we can proceed. So if type, so guys, I think that is enough for this video. In next video we will upload we will finally upload the post, and then I will show you, then we will retrieve those posts in our social media app using Firebase. I hope so guys. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will never miss any update. Thank you for watching.